Welcome back to AF Car Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Roadtrek Zion, a camper van that's making waves for its perfect blend of luxury, versatility, and adventure-ready features. If you're thinking about upgrading your travel game or finally going full-time van life, this is the one you don't want to miss. Stick around because we're breaking down every key detail from specs to pricing and our honest take on whether it lives up to the hype. First off, the Roadtrek Zion is built on the reliable Ram ProMaster chassis, giving it a solid foundation with plenty of power and maneuverability. Under the hood, you get a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth acceleration whether you're cruising highways or tackling winding roads. Its compact size makes city driving and parking much easier than bigger RVs. But don't let that fool you. This van packs serious functionality inside. Step inside, and you'll find a beautifully designed interior that maximizes every inch of space. The Zion comfortably sleeps up to 4 people with a convertible dinette and a rear bed that folds up to create extra storage. The kitchen area is impressively equipped with a 2-burner stove, a compact refrigerator, and a microwave, so cooking on the road feels just like home. There's also a wet bath with a shower, which is a game changer for those who want to stay fresh on the go. One standout feature is the smart use of technology and storage solutions. USB charging ports are conveniently placed throughout, and smart lighting lets you set the mood or brighten up the space instantly. Plus, the large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light and offer breathtaking views wherever you park. Now, pricing. The 2026 Roadtrek Zion starts at around $130,000. Which places it in the mid to high range for Class B motorhomes. While it's an investment, the build quality and features justify the price for serious travelers looking for reliability and comfort. Our honest opinion? The Zion strikes a great balance between luxury and practicality. It's perfect for couples or small families wanting to explore with style and convenience. If you're after something compact but fully loaded, this might just be the van that checks all your boxes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review from AF Car Reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Roadtrek Zion or which camper vans you want us to cover next. See you on the road.